and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hi kids, are you ready to draw some shapes? Let's begin. Draw a circle and then a triangle. Yes, great. Can you guess the next one? It's a heart. And the last one, a square. Wasn't it easy? It's time to give our shapes happy faces. Draw eyes, color the pupils in, and a cute little smile. A face for our triangle. And don't forget the eyebrows. Next, a face for the heart. And the square too. Don't they look so cute? Next, let's do a neat outline for all the shapes. We did a great job! And now comes the best part, kids. We get to color in. A bright happy yellow color for our circle. Let's keep going, just like this. Here is our circle. Looks great. Let's move on to our triangle. A light green color. Let's stay within the lines, nice and neat. And here we have it, a triangle! Yay! Moving on to the heart. Pink will look great, don't you think? Let's color. Aren't you having fun? And done! A heart! Lastly, let's use orange for the square. We're almost done, kids. Our drawing looks great. It's such a happy, colorful picture. And also a fun way to learn our shapes. We are done with the square. Here are all our shapes. Hope you had lots of fun. See you next time. Hi kids, let's make puzzles in different shapes. Let's begin with a puzzle in a circle. Make 4 puzzles inside. That's easy, isn't it? Let's paint it. Let's use colors like red, yellow, dark blue, and green. Now let's make them in a square. And use yellow, pink, purple, and teal to color it. Are you done? Let's make a huge heart and draw puzzles inside. Let's fill colors in the heart like red, orange, sky blue, and green. Last one to go, and that is a star. Let's make a star. And color with yellow, dark blue, purple, and green. Well, that's all for now. Hope you had fun. Hello kids! Don't you love sports? Let's draw a football. Draw pentagons in the circle and connect them all together. Let's paint with dark grey. And light grey too. And that's how easy it is to make a football. For the next one, draw a circle and color in with orange. Can you guess which sports ball this is? And now draw the curvy lines. Yes! Here is our basketball. On to the next one. A ball with 3 sections. And draw curvy lines inside each. Let's paint with blue, yellow, and a light sky blue. Done! A volleyball! Now, next, draw a circle, 2 semicircles within. Let's paint with fluorescent green. and a light grey. Yay! Our tennis ball looks great! Next one is super easy. A ball with 3 small circles. Paint it grey. Do you know which sports ball this is? Smaller circles with black. That's right, a bowling ball! Wasn't it fun drawing all these cool sports balls? Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red and then green. Purple, the color gold, pink, cyan, orange, green, and red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt and golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time.